today?
I'm. Hello everyone. Very excited. I'm coming back with Bahubali Part 2, जो मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक 2 साल पहले जब Part 1 रिलीज हुई थी, मैंने कभी भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि 2 साल के बाद ये फिल्म आज फिर से रिलीज होगी एंड आज 7 अप्रैल को री रिलीज हुई है ये फिल्म. सो इट्स वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड एंड इट्स डेफिनेटली समथिंग दैट will be the most memorable film in my career. And आज है एक इवेंट जहाँ पर ready to wear collection बनाया गया है inspired from Bahubali Part 2 and Bollywood.oo. They have arranged this entire event and it's a website, so it's ready to wear collection like what I'm wearing today. There's been an entire showcase and yeah, whoever wants to shop their Bahubali attire can do that and then they can watch the film in that.
Okay, तमन्ना जी, अगर मैं रैंप वॉक की अगर मैं बात करूं, रैंप वॉक की
अच्छा सॉरी हाँ बहुत I think before Bahubali came out I had a different image and I think Bahubali made people believe that I can act. I'm very thankful to Rajamouli sir because उन्होंने मुझ में उन्होंने जो विश्वास दिखाया from the action sequences to the very the very feminine side of a woman, the way he captured that, it's made me actually a more courageous person. In fact, जब मैं आज stunts attempt करती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा बाहुबली के बारे में सोचती हूँ because after working on that film, the entire process of attempting action became easy for me. So I thank Rajamouli sir for giving me this experience and memories of a lifetime because इस फिल्म पे जिसने भी काम किया है सब दोस्त हैं. राजमौली सर की पूरी फैमिली ने ये फिल्म बनाई है. The producers are Shobhu sir and they are the nicest, always happy, smiling faces people and it's a dream. Like उनके सेट पे जाते ही ऐसे लगता है कि यार अगर फिल्में शुरू होती तो ऐसे ही शुरू होनी चाहिए. I missed Bahubali set the moment I left it the first time and we used to work for 19 and 20 hours and मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता था कि हम लोग इतना काम कर रहे हैं. हम लोग गर्मी में, सर्दी में, -degrees, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता था because we used to just enjoy ourselves so much and yeah, this team is very special.
What was the most memorable part of the movie? Which is one thing that you always take with you?
I think he gave me a beautiful song like Dhivara. आज भी लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि we love that angelic avatar of yours which was which was just the perfect introduction that any heroine could ask for. And also the strength in the character, the fierce warrior that she is, showing these two facets of a woman so beautifully.
ट्रेलर देखा हमने 100 मिलियन क्रॉस किया
जी
और उससे भी ज़्यादा लोग रिस्पांस दे रहे थे. फिल्म की कितनी उम्मीदें रखती हैं पार्ट 2 की क्योंकि हर जगह अच्छा रिस्पांस आ रहा था फिल्म को लेकर?
टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैंने फिल्म में काम किया है पर फिर भी क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए मुझे नहीं मालूम क्योंकि सर हमेशा हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस को क्रॉस कर जाते हैं. So I did not know in the first part what will happen. I just only know that the second part is going to have much more story, much more emotion. People are really going to connect with the storyline. If you like the first part, you're going to like the second part way more. And because it's a continuation of the first story. So it's whoever's seen the first part will absolutely understand what's happening.
रैंप वॉक की अगर मैं बात करूं तो मैंने आपकी रैंप को
yes. I think Saurabh has a fantastic collection and it's very regal, it's very elegant, it's very feminine, at the same time fierce. So it's kind of representative of what the character is. And I thought all the girls had, they were all sporting braids, which I did in the film. So yeah, I think that's why I felt like I should be wearing.
Cast members we were expecting them to be here tonight.
Yes, I was expecting them to, but I'm sure हम बाहुबली को बहुत प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, सब किधर प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. Everybody is in some place. So yeah, but you will be seeing a lot of Bahubali promotions as we move.
तमन्ना, before you leave, तमन्ना और अक्षय कुमार जिनके साथ में आपने काम भी कर चुके हैं, उन्हें बेस्ट एक्टर का भी अवार्ड मिला. उनका अनाउंसमेंट हुआ, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I don't know which film he's got it for, but I know for Rustam. It's very well deserving. Akshay is always somebody who is a super hard worker. I mean, he's my inspiration. He wakes up so early in the morning and he's at it totally. And I'm very happy for him. Wishing him a huge congratulations for the national award. And everybody else who's won the national award, big congratulations.
एक मिनट तमन्ना, आपको सामने देख के बात करनी है.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ द वे क्वेश्चन है. विनोद खन्ना जी is like being hospitalized. Any wishes and prayers for him?
Yeah, I mean, I know I saw the images on social media, and I wish him speedy recovery. I wish Vinod Khanna ji a speedy recovery, and he's still as handsome and glorious as he always was.
Any chance to meet him? कभी आप मिले हैं उनसे?
कभी नहीं मिली, फिल्में ही देखी है, फैन के जैसे फिल्में देखी है. Sorry?
Thank you, please.
I'll send more comments later.
रैंप वॉक के बारे में बात करें.